Hello children, today we are going to learn about the community helpers, so let's start. Tailor, designs and stitches clothing and garments. Electrician installs, maintains, and repairs electrical systems and equipment. Soldier protects the nation's borders and citizens, serving in the military. Air hostess assists passengers during flights, ensuring their safety and comfort. Trashman collects and disposes of waste and garbage to maintain cleanliness. Pilot flies aircraft, ensuring safe transportation of passengers or cargo. Watchman guards property, assets, or individuals, ensuring security and safety. Driver operates vehicles to transport people or goods from one place to another. Nurse provides medical care, assistance, and support to patients under the supervision of doctors. Maid performs domestic tasks such as cleaning, cooking, and laundry in households or establishments. Gardener cultivates and maintains gardens, parks, or landscapes, ensuring their beauty and health. Dentist provides dental care and treatments to maintain oral health. Builder constructs buildings, structures, or homes according to architectural plans. Farmer cultivates crops, raises livestock, or produces agricultural goods. Chef prepares and cooks food in restaurants, hotels, or catering establishments. Doctor diagnoses illnesses, prescribes treatments, and provides medical care to patients. Teacher educates and instructs students in various subjects and skills. Postman delivers mail and packages to homes and businesses. Fireman extinguishes fires, rescues people, and provides emergency medical assistance. Sweeper cleans streets, sidewalks, or public areas to maintain hygiene and cleanliness. Mason constructs structures using bricks, stones, or concrete. Policeman maintains law and order, prevents crime, and enforces regulations. Painter applies paint to surfaces to enhance their appearance or protect them from damage. Plumber installs, repairs, and maintains plumbing systems and fixtures. Milkman delivers milk and dairy products to customers' homes or businesses. Carpenter constructs and repairs wooden structures, furniture, or fixtures. Barber cuts, styles, and grooms hair for clients. Cobbler repairs and restores shoes and other leather goods. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us.